Hi, I'm Spencer from Spencer Scissors, and thank you for letting us service your scissors. I would just like to demonstrate a few handy tips to make the sharpness last longer for you. Your newly serviced scissors will have oil all over the blades, as you can see in this video. Please wipe before first use. Tension is very important. Please hold your scissors straight up with the nut towards you. Hold the thumb handle and take the other blade and make a cross. Let go of the finger handle, then once in this position, give it a wobble and you should see a little bit of movement. We have replaced a small washer in the back of your scissors. This takes time to bed in. Please check tension daily within the first few weeks. If tension needs to be adjusted, please use the nut to tighten or a tension key or screwdriver if the centre assembly is a screw type. Then test tension again. After using your scissors, you'll notice hair on the blades, as you can see here. It's very important to wipe this hair off the blade as soon as you can. You could use tissue for this. Please make sure to be careful. A chamois leather is very good for your scissor blades. Please be very careful when doing this. Make sure to fold the cloth several times before placing it on the blades, like so. You want to have some pressure on the cloth and wipe down the blades 4 to 5 times. And then switch over and do the other blade. As you can see, the scissors will cut the cloth. After this, wipe the ride area at the base of the scissors. Please do this as often as you can, if possible after every haircut. Thinning and texturizing scissors. The cutting blade is the same as before. Place the chamois leather over the top and wipe 3 to 4 times. For the tooth blade, hold the cloth in your hand and wipe the blade backwards down the cloth. The reason to use chamois leather like this for all your scissors is that it pushes the burr back off the edge and will keep your scissors sharper for longer. After using the chamois leather, make sure to check the tension. Hold the scissor by the thumb handle, make a cross, let go of the finger handle and tighten the centre screw. Now we go on to oiling. Oiling is very important. Please open them up and place 1 or 2 drops in the ride area. This should be done throughout the day. Angle your scissors downwards, open and closing to help spread the oil underneath the centre assembly. Now, at the end of the day, after giving your scissors a wipe clean and using a leather cloth, please place 4 to 5 drops down the blade like so, making sure to place 1 drop right on the tip. Close your scissors and push the blades together when you open them. This helps to spread the oil on both sides. Now, very carefully wipe down away from the cutting edge and then flip the scissors over and do the same again. Now leave the scissors like this and wipe when next in use. After oiling your scissors, it's very important to check the tension again. Please remember that scissor oil and the correct tension work hand in hand to help make your scissors cut well and make the cutting action more comfortable for your hand.